This is your Action News reporter at the Desert Paradise Rainbow Range once again, where there's virtually no breeze, just a little bit of a breeze. According to the weather report, it's 5 miles per hour. No biggie, we can manage that. I can keep my hat on, yay! Today we're shooting the Black Hunter 35-pound bow, my favorite bow, and we're shooting 15 yards. We have been doing dogs. Yesterday we did cats. Today it's dogs versus cats. Let's get shooting. Black arrow represents the golden retriever. Black arrow scores a 13. That's a good start. I like it. I took the top 5 scores from both of those days, and that's who's shooting today. Red arrow represents the Siamese cats. Red arrow scores an 11 and a miss. Blue arrow represents the bulldog. Blue arrow, look at that, scores a 15. That's high score. That puts them in first place right now. Yay! Yellow arrow represents the Siberian cat breed. Yellow arrow scores an 11. Dogs are killing it. Cats need to pick up their game. Green arrows represent the French bulldog. Green arrow scores a 16. Orange arrows represent the domestic long-haired cat breed. An orange arrow scores an 18. That puts him in first place. Wow, that's amazing. Purple arrows represent the Chihuahua. For a little dog, he sure scored big. Look at that. A 10 ring, a 9 ring, and an 8 ring. That's 27 points. There's our first place contender right there. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Next up is white arrow representing the ragdoll cat breed. White arrow scores an 18. Typical for the cats. Brown arrow represents the dachshund. And the brown arrow scores in the 9 ring, yay! And a 6, it's 15 and a miss. Wood arrows represent the domestic short-haired cat breed. They have to beat a 27 to take first place. And the wood arrows score a 13. Way to go. This is your Action News reporter. In first place, we have purple arrows with 27 points representing the Chihuahua. In second and third place, we have a tie with 18 points, both of them cats. The domestic long hair and the ragdoll cat breeds. So we're going to have a 1 arrow shoot off to see who takes second and who takes third place of those 2 cat breeds. White arrow won the draw, they're going first. Orange arrow next. Look at that, folks. Orange arrow shoots a 7 and white arrow shoots a 4. So orange will take second and white third. Yay! This is your Action News reporter here at the winner's circle, where we have in the center purple arrow representing the Chihuahua with 27 points. On the right here we have orange arrow representing the domestic long-haired cat breed with 18 points with a 7-point shoot-off lead. And on the left here in third place we have white arrow with 18 points and a 4-point shoot-off representing the ragdoll cat breed. Here are your winners. I don't know what else to say, but good day.